I am very happy that Israeli Dharma friends are celebrating the completion of 20 years of its Dharma activities. Shalom! And I'm very happy because I am familiar with all your activities. The completion of 20 years is a big completion, big success, because it is not easy to continue to do something, and especially spiritual religious practices, because of our demands in our daily life, distractions in the modern world. So being able to keep that flame of Dharma practice alive is really commendable. Not because you are following a particular tradition, but because there is so much need in today's world to culture, train, and transform our mind. Because at the end of the day, the only solution for many of these ills that we see in in today's world is non-alignment or mismanagement of the mind. And Buddhist teaching, as you're all aware, has a complete, comprehensive process of calming the mind and discerning the reality. So without taking much time, I am with you in spirit during this celebration and congratulate all of you to continuously make further activities as you've been doing before. If we relate to His Holiness's activities also, one of the most important activity that he is pursuing even at this age is to how to contribute towards preserving fundamental human values. So this is very important. Therefore, please keep the flame alive. Thank you very much. Is that enough?